and here we are today at the Display Village opening for Covella Estate for Villa Green. Yeah, so Covella is a 1,500 lot subdivision, and the first few stages have been complete. So this stage for the Display Village kind of rounds out the first precinct of construction for Covella. It opens up the first district, which then leads into future districts for development. Yeah, so Villa Green is a joint venture with Greenfield Developments and Villa World. We work predominantly with Villa World in delivering this development. The good thing about what Villa World are capable of is that they're also builders, so they understand what type of lot mix they want to deliver. So Villa World have really worked hard in establishing these mini communities within the greater community here to get that sense of the residential experience. Really proud project from our point of view, from a calibre point of view. We've worked really hard with the landscape architects and the developer to create this overarching, really well designed, really well thought out and really well delivered project. And I think the community will really see the benefits of that when they all come around and move in.